I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering off and removing both ear pads so you can access screws and connectors. This prevents accidental shorting. Once done, use a small Phillips and a plastic spudger to remove the visible screws under the pads and make sure to lift panels gently to avoid clips breaking. Keep screws sorted. Label them left, right, inner. You'll also need tweezers for ribbon cables and a soft cloth to set parts on. This preserves finish and keeps tiny parts from rolling away. Once panels are open, locate and disconnect the battery ribbon and antenna cable first so you can work safely. Doing so prevents power running through circuits while you probe. Next, inspect the main PCB for cold solder joints, lifted traces, or corrosion. These are common failure points causing audio dropouts or mic issues. If the driver, ANC module, or battery is clearly faulty, swap it with an OEM or high-quality replacement. Make sure connectors align and press flat, and solder only if you're confident in small pitch work. You'll finish by reseating every connector, reinstalling screws in their labeled positions, and powering the unit on to test Bluetooth pairing and basic audio. This verifies assembly integrity. Make sure to run an ANC check and listen for left/right channel balance. If you hear imbalance, reopen and confirm driver and cable seating. If problems continue, re-examine solder joints under magnification and swap in a known good battery to isolate power faults. That single troubleshooting tip often narrows issues quickly and saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.